Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to perform an AI compliance check for a contact record in LeadCenter.AI. When you open a contact record in LeadCenter, click on AI Assistant, then select Compliance Audit. This will open the Compliance Audit page. The audit automatically reviews all records related to that contact. For example, it checks whether that contact has investment account and whether those records are complete and up to date. If any key details are missing, like address, date of birth, tax ID, they will be flagged right here. So these are important fields required for FINRA and SEC compliance. Now, here is the best part. You can use AI to analyze the compliance automatically. It's super simple. Just click AI check for compliance. In just a few seconds, the system will review all the contact records and identify a compliance issue based on FINRA and SEC rules. Once the check is complete, you will see the results in a table on the right side here. It lists all the issues found, as well as the key requirements it relates to it, and the relevant regulation and the recommendation for improvement. For example, missing FP agreement, the financial planning agreement date is missing, and it tells you what's the issue related to that. It gives you a reference to the SEC or FINRA rules, and then it gives you the recommendation that to fix that issue. Of course, you can export all the findings to Excel by clicking on the Export to Excel here. And this is just to keep a record for that check. Now, another great feature is data privacy. Even though we are using AI for the analysis, no actual data is being sent to AI or shared externally. So instead of sending the real values, what we send is the status. For example, for phone number, we send primary phone is valid. For name, we send first name, last name, and are available. For tax ID, we send tax ID is available. The same for age, date of birth, and others. So AI doesn't have access to this actual data. It just has access to the status of that data, which is kind of a metadata. So this is ensure complete privacy and compliance at all times. So this is how you perform a contact record compliance check using AI in LeadCenter. Thank you.